Initially, were you hired by the defense?
No, we were not.
Were you hired by the Commonwealth?
We were not, no.
Was that a separate agency that hired you?
It was, yes.
It wasn't an insurance company, was it?
It was not, no, sir.
Okay. What were you initially asked to do by this separate entity?
Initially, we were kind of constrained in what we were asked to do and to review, but we were asked to evaluate whether the injuries sustained by Mr. O'Keefe were consistent with being struck by the Lexus.
You know who Dr. Dan Wolfe is?
I do, yes.
Is that the other person, the Dan Wolfe, the Dr. Wolfe that you just mentioned?
That's correct, yes.
Did you and Dr. Wolfe look at basically the same set of information? You were provided the same set of information?
We did, yes. We were provided a tranche of information that all three of us looked at, yes.
Can you explain the difference between your area of expertise and Dr. Wolfe's area of expertise? I don't want you to get into his analysis, just what area he covers. In other words, you're dealing with a Lexus and pedestrian, Mr. John O'Keefe, correct?
Correct, yes.
What's the difference between the analysis that you undertook and the responsibilities of Dr. Dan Wolfe?
So Dr. Wolfe really concentrated looking at the vehicle itself and the damage to the vehicle, the damage to the taillight, which is really the only damage we have to that vehicle. And so his analysis pertained to evaluating the force associated with producing that damage, what's consistent with causing that type of fracture and damage to the taillight itself.